Hi Guy, there's Auntie Lee saying hello to you. Isn't that funny? And if we go over here, here's Toby, baby Toby, fast asleep. Okay, we're going to have a look at Nana's air conditioners now. Here's Nana Cathy's air conditioner in the lounge room, and you can see that it's going because it's quite hot in here now. And the remote control over on the wall. I wonder if you can see the number on the remote control. I don't know if you can or not. Okay, we're going to go into your room now and have a look at your air conditioner. That's not going at the moment because there's nobody in there. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, there's your aircon up there and the remote control. Oh, and the fan remote needs to be put away. Let's do that too. So we'll pop that away. Oops. And there's both remote controls next to each other. Okay, we'll go up the steps now and we'll have a look at Nana's Nana's air conditioner as well. This one isn't on either because we haven't been doing anything up here. Okay, there's Nana's air conditioner. And, oh, the remote needs to be put away there too. Let's get it and pop it away. There we go. Well, I hope you like your air conditioner video, Guy. Bye.